that, you have to respect the hustle. Because if you don't respect my hustle, there's no way I'm going to respect any fucking body here. People have to respect the hustle. And my hustle is not about award. I get plaque. Like right now, where are they? Bad man, where are they? No, is you. See where are they? I don't want to just show you points. You understand me? If I show you things, you go first. If I show you things, you go first. Yes, you go first. But man no do anything like this. So man no can play. I don't can play. I don't can play. I can play right now. My song we had to watch. We if like Black Sheriff goes on it everywhere. See baby, it's so good. Everything we get. I say Black Sheriff be champion. Every day we do one without the everybody in Ghana for feel shy because as Black Sheriff go get record label, it be Nigeria will get label for everybody for be shy. So nobody in Ghana. So let me say Ghana, see we know the respect talent to one. Not start to watch me or my guy Bulldog. You can't they really to say Sakode and shit. Black Sheriff is gonna do much more better than Shatta, Wale and Sakode with his album because Black Sheriff get label and Sakode and Shatta no get label. Yes, you have made sense, but see what you talk. If you not even talk my guy. If you not even talk you understand me? That talking alone, say it could make what and we no go. Don't even bring that thing. You understand me? Because it doesn't even make sense. You know in your head that with a label, that's how you move. So you don't even talk about it. Because when you talk about that one, you don't say they disappoint Sakode fans. Don't say they disappoint Shatta Wale fans. And see people like you, people you come my body, we before God the man. You know how me I charge money. You know how me my heart thing, me be a hustler. Me when I work at it, make my money. This thing you have not shown me how to charge money before. It's me. You know it's me that I charge money. Me. Good dog, you have not shown me how to charge money before. You understand me? All the money that they call it my money. You understand what I'm saying? But when we did, then you won't go sit on it and talk some way like you won't talk intelligently. My guy, that wasn't intelligent. That was a foolish talk. That's real talk, my nigga. That's real talk. That's real talk. Managers where you do put Ghana, how many times do they travel, give Shatta Wale? How many times do they travel on your ticket for your artists? Yes, because you don't understand what management means. Most of you have set up record labels and stuff like that. And this thing stuff they talk. Still, same men who come and sit down and want to defend this thing, want to talk like what Shatta Wale is saying is not sensible. You see, one of these days, you guys will just put me up with all these people what they talk about. We could sit in one room, make security day there. We could discuss this matter and see who go win. They ain't got nothing on me, dog. You guys don't know anything. The thing they do, Charlie. Boo, I tell you people, that you put it run this thing. You guys can't make it because everybody's talking with a hungry stomach. That's the industry. Bulldog, I tell you, everybody, they work with a hungry stomach. You are still my manager. I respect you. No, if you even go and sit on radio, say you and me know the work again. I respect that because yes, it's not about quarrel me and quarrel or anything, me and do anything. But sometimes, you see, because you don't move, that is why I'm moving. Because you don't move, that is why I'm moving. That is why I'm getting somewhere. Because you don't move. Boo. See this thing they talk. Even if they ask you for radio, if you're not talking it because you know who Gino be. I move. Boo. If you and me know the work again, what you could go tell a radio presenter do? As a day, me and you talk, say, boo, leave the rest for me. You have done your what Napoleon took it to cannot do, so leave it for me. Relax. I can go and look for the money so we share. No be so I tell you. No be so I tell you. But I don't know. Here they talk. Ghana, we live with some mindset, pain, angry, some life.